Hi guys, welcome back to our channel TechUp. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to add tags in Clickup. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your Clickup application, then this type of interface will appear in your screen once you have logged into your account. From recent section, go to the project in which you want to add tag or just click to new to create a project. There you can see tag option. Click on tag, then add the tag that you want. This is how you can add tag in Clickup. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.